guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like reflection kind of water video edit on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video into two pieces, I guess. And on the second video, you're just going to want to rotate it to create a reflection, and you're going to mirror that to furthermore create that reflection. And then I'm just gonna bring it up just a little bit more and mask it. So select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to feather it out just a little bit, like the tiniest. So it looks like there's like a line here because like it's a water reflection, and you can even make it a little bit darker and maybe a little bit bluer in color, and add a little bit of contrast in there as well. Where's the mask thing? Hold on, I think I might adjust it more. Okay, that's good enough. And then you can even step it up by going to effects, just search for water and add in the droplet distortion, but delete filters and blur and leave the rest in. It is pretty big, like the droplets, which isn't ideal. It's like better if it's like for puddles and stuff. You can also try the ripples one, but it won't show that much, like as you can see. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!